Our Earth. The Earth is our home and we share this Earth with all other living things, both plants and animals. The Earth gives us air, water and food that we need to live. It also gives us things like wood, stone, metals and so many other things that we use to make ourselves comfortable and happy. How beautiful is the home given to all living things by nature. Earth fulfills our needs. You already know that the earth is the home of all living things. The earth fulfills all our needs of food, clothes, house and everything we use. We have made our living much more safe and comfortable by our discoveries and inventions. The paper on which this book is made comes from the wood pulp of trees. The jam you eat comes from the fruits that grow on trees. The metal that makes your spoon comes from the mines inside the earth. Useful things we get from the earth are called resources. You already know that the land on our earth is divided into 6 large land masses called continents. Parts of these continents may be dry due to very less rainfall or may be green with forests due to good rainfall. Large areas that receive little or no rainfall are called deserts. The earth on which we live with many other living beings is mainly made up of land and water. Water is almost 7 parts out of 10 and land is just about 3 parts out of 10. The land we live on is divided into 7 big land masses called continents. The names of the continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia. There is another continent where people don't live permanently. It is called Antarctica. Parts of the Arabian desert have become the home of millions of people in recent times due to man-made cities, factories and offices. People don't live in most of the deserts of the world, but the Arabian desert has many big cities. Why? Much of the land area of Southeast Asia is forested, yet a number of large cities and modern industries are found here. Brunei sells mineral oil and petroleum to other countries of the world, just like the oil exporting countries of the West Asia. Oil and natural gas is produced in Indonesia and Myanmar as well. South Asia also has a number of tourist spots where people from all over the world come and spend their holidays. Tourists visit the forests and wildlife parks, have fun in amusement parks, clubs, malls and beaches.
The continents on our earth are land masses where humans live. You know about 3 main parts of Asia, namely West Asia, South Asia and Southeast Asia. An equally important part of Asia is called East Asia. It covers about 12 million square kilometers or about 28% of the Asian continent. East Asia is made up of 3 different parts of the People's Republic of China, namely China, Hong Kong and Macau. The other countries are Japan, North Korea, South Korea and Republic of China called Taiwan. Some of the countries of East Asia are highly industrialized and the home of leading world brands in automobiles, electronics, heavy machines, merchant shipbuilding and so on. Countries like Japan, South Korea, China and Taiwan are famous all over the world for their automobiles, consumer products and electronics. Hong Kong is a leading trading and banking center like Dubai in West Asia. It also has one of the biggest natural harbors of the world. More than 1.5 billion people, about 38% of the population of Asia, or 22% of all the people in the world live in East Asia. The region is one of the world's most populated places, with large and most thickly populated cities like Tokyo, which is the largest city in the world, Shanghai, the largest city in China and one of the largest in the world, Seoul, the capital and largest city of South Korea. Kaohsiung is the second largest city in Taiwan. Taipei, the capital of Republic of China and Hong Kong.
You know about the large land masses of the earth called the continents. The largest continent is Asia, and the countries of India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Bhutan together make up the Indian subcontinent, also called South Asia. South Asia is one of the most interesting continents. It has different kinds of climates and a very large variety of plants and animals. It is also home to a number of tribal communities, some of which are still not connected to the modern world. South Asia also has a variety of landforms, of which the Indus River plains have been the home of early human settlements. The Ganga-Brahmaputra plain is the most densely populated plain of the world. The world's highest mountains, the Himalayas, are found here, and the Thar Desert is the 9th largest desert. South Asia receives very heavy summer rainfall, and the world's highest rainfall is recorded at Cherrapunji in India. The people of South Asia, particularly of Indian origin, are the most widely spread people all over the world. They are called diaspora. The continents on our earth are land masses where humans live. You know about two main parts of Asia, namely West Asia and South Asia. An equally important part of Asia is called Southeast Asia.
Southeast Asia has a great importance since historic times. In ancient times, it served as the gateway to the East, especially to China, that was known for its silk, paper and tea. Today, Southeast Asian countries are known for their produce like rubber, tea, rice, sugar and oil.
This part of Asia consists of the mainland countries such as Cambodia, Laos, Burma, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam and peninsular Malaysia, as well as island countries of Brunei, East Malaysia, East Timor, Indonesia, Philippines, Christmas Island and Singapore. Southeast Asia has an almost uniform climatic condition and a warm maritime climate. Indonesia is the largest country in area but is made from a number of big and small islands. Singapore is the smallest country in area and is most densely populated.